Welcome to Greece, the cradle of Western civilization where ancient history meets breathtaking landscapes. In this video, we'll explore the vibrant city of Athens, the enchanting Greek islands, the mouth-watering local cuisine, and some travel tips to make your journey unforgettable. Whether you're a history buff, a beach lover, or a foodie, Greece has something for everyone. Let's begin our journey in Athens, the heart of ancient Greece. Athens is one of the oldest cities in the world, with a history spanning over 3,400 years. It was here that democracy was born and where some of the greatest philosophers, such as Socrates and Plato, once walked. The Acropolis is the crown jewel of Athens, dominating the skyline. The Parthenon, dedicated to the goddess Athena, stands as a symbol of the power and cultural achievements of ancient Greece. Don't miss the Erechtheion with its famous caryatids and the Temple of Athena Nike. Just below the Acropolis lies the ancient Agora, once the bustling center of public life in Athens. Here you can walk in the footsteps of Socrates and explore the well-preserved Stoa of Attalos, which now houses a museum. But Athens is not just about ancient history. The Plaka neighborhood, with its narrow streets and neoclassical buildings, is perfect for a leisurely stroll. Nearby, Monastiraki is famous for its vibrant flea market and street food. No trip to Greece is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. In Athens, you'll find everything from traditional tavernas to modern eateries. Be sure to try souvlaki, a popular street food made of skewered and grilled meat. Moussaka, a baked dish with layers of eggplant, minced meat and bechamel sauce, is a must-try. And don't miss out on spanakopita, a savory pie filled with spinach and feta cheese. Now let's sail away to the Greek islands, each offering its own unique charm. With over 6,000 islands, of which around 200 are inhabited, the options are endless. We'll highlight some of the most iconic islands you should consider visiting. Santorini, with its iconic blue-domed churches and stunning sunsets, is one of the most famous islands in the world. The island's unique landscape was shaped by a volcanic eruption thousands of years ago, leaving behind the caldera we see today. Next up is Mykonos, known for its vibrant nightlife and picturesque windmills. But there's more to Mykonos than just parties. Explore the charming alleys of Mykonos town and enjoy the serene beaches. Crete, the largest of the Greek islands, is a land of contrasts. Visit the ancient Minoan palace of Knossos, believed to be the center of Europe's first advanced civilization. Then relax on the stunning beaches of Elafonisi or hike through the Samaria Gorge. While in Crete, be sure to sample the island's famous cuisine. Try dakos, a traditional Cretan salad with rusks, tomatoes and feta cheese. And don't miss out on the island's renowned olive oil, a staple in many dishes. Pair your meal with a glass of raki, a local spirit, for a true taste of Crete. Rhodes, with its medieval old town, is a history lover's paradise. Wander through the cobblestone streets and visit the palace of the Grand Master. Rhodes also boasts beautiful beaches and crystal-clear waters. If you're looking for a quieter escape, consider Naxos and Paros. These islands offer a perfect blend of history, culture, and stunning beaches, with fewer crowds than the more popular destinations. Finish your culinary journey with some sweet treats. Try baklava, a rich pastry made with layers of phyllo dough, honey and nuts. Loukoumades, Greek honey donuts, are another delicious option, and if you're by the sea, don't miss out on fresh seafood, grilled to perfection and served with a squeeze of lemon. The peak tourist season runs from June to August, when the weather is warm and the islands are buzzing with activity. However, if you prefer fewer crowds and more comfortable temperatures, consider visiting in the shoulder seasons of May, September, or October. During these months, you'll still enjoy plenty of sunshine and can explore at a more relaxed pace. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips for making the most of your trip to Greece. 1. Pack light. With many cobblestone streets and stairs, especially on the islands, it's best to pack light and bring comfortable shoes. 2. Cash is king. While credit cards are widely accepted, it's a good idea to carry some cash, especially in smaller towns and islands. 3. Try local. Don't just stick to tourist spots, venture into local neighborhoods and try family-run tavernas for a more authentic experience. 4. Stay hydrated. The Greek sun can be intense, especially in summer, so make sure to drink plenty of water and wear sunscreen. 5. Respect the culture. Greeks are known for their hospitality, but it's important to be respectful of local customs, especially when visiting religious sites. Greece is a country that captures the imagination, with its rich history, stunning landscapes, and mouth-watering cuisine. Whether you're exploring the ancient ruins of Athens, relaxing on a sun-soaked island, or savoring the local flavors, Greece is a destination that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Greece. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel and food adventures. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite Greek dish, or what part of Greece are you most excited to visit?